everybody. This tutorial is about the basic techniques in acrylic landscape painting. Before we begin, let me take you through the list of colors. Here we are going to use cobalt blue, titanium white, Hocus green, permanent green, cadmium yellow medium, raw sienna and black. Let me also show you the brushes that we need to use here. Firstly, a knife to mix colors, a liner brush, 1/4 inch flat brush or triangular brush, 1/2 inch hard bristle flat brush, 1/2 inch soft bristle flat brush. We need a round brush of medium size, of medium thickness, round brush with hard bristles, again of a medium size. Before we actually start painting on the canvas, let us understand how to make each element in this painting separately. So for the grass, the color of the background here is darkest green or Hocus green, and on that we take a lighter shade on the hard bristle flat brush and dab it on as we have shown, so to create a clear contrast. For the rocks and stones, we make rectangles, squares and circles out of dark colors like black or dark grey. Wait till it completely dries and then add a highlight of grey or white. For the tree, first we make the bark, the branches, and then go on to make the darker leaves with a triangular brush around the branches and then highlight them with the lighter green. For making the bushes, let's make the shape of the bush with the darkest green. After that, we use the triangular brush to highlight the bush with light green. You can make this by using permanent green and yellow. Only the top of the bush has to be highlighted. Then mix little white in the light green that you have created and highlight only the tip of the bushes. So now we put all the elements that we just saw together on the canvas. We start by making the sky. Here we start with a flat brush with cobalt blue and white together and with crisscross strokes we fill in the sky. After we finish painting the sky, we move on to making the lower part of the landscape, which is entirely in green. But you will see that we use different brush strokes for the flat land, bushes, and trees. We make the trees with a hard bristle round brush. We also change the height and shape of the trees as we move along the horizon line. We make the bushes with a triangular brush and with different shades of green. We move on to highlighting these bushes with lighter green by mixing permanent green with yellow and then mixing permanent green, yellow and white. We add details and highlights to the grassland with the help of the hard bristle flat brush and shades of light green. You can see here how we dab the brush across the grassland, showing the slope. Moving on, we make the branches and stems of the trees and bushes. Then we make the rocks at various places. You can make many more rocks if you wish to. So you can see that by putting basic elements of landscape together, you can create a wonderful little painting. Hope you liked to paint along with us and learned many skills here. If you have liked, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.